G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. Today here at the lake what we're going to be doing is cutting this hole a little bigger, and if you look back in, I think it was episode 1, um, I was introducing and showing a beautiful little window that I picked up from an auction, and what we're going to do, we're going to take the time and install it into the side of the cabin here. So we're going to be cutting a little bit bigger hole. Originally this would have been the hole that the stovepipe would have come out of for the original wood stove in here, and so let's get her done. guys, I think this looks bloody excellent. So next time we come up to the lake here, I will bring up with me from the shop down below at home a new sill plate for the inside as well as the trim for the inside. I don't have any of this nice clear grain fur up here with me, although I do have some at home in the shop. So we'll make some nice trim that as close as we can matches this stain color, and put the sill in, trim on. It'll look magical. I'll show you a picture of the outside shortly. I'm just quickly going to put 4 screws in here, hold it in place. With the insulation in, we'll just stuff a little more in on the inside as well, just make sure it's well insulated. That way we can come up and use it in the middle of winter when it's like minus 30, minus 40 degrees sometimes up here. Let's get it secured. First we're going to countersink the screws so that they go in, they're pre-drilled, they're not going to split the frame, and they're countersunk so they will go nice and flush. I may even bring a couple of little those plastic caps to put over the top. Now these are just the neatest windows. I picked this one up and another one. I think they were samples for the one of the cities near where I lived, and they've just been sitting there. They came up in a government auction. This one's nothing but high-end hardware on this thing. You can put it out a crack, the 2 holes here. You can put it open a crack, so you just get a very slight little breeze in while keeping it locked, or you pull it all the way in and completely locked. Put it out, catch the air, scoop the air in on a nice breezy day in the middle of summer, and keep the mosquitoes out. Most important, it comes with, if I get it the right way around, a screen. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? And now we have a view of the neighbours. More importantly, we don't really see much out this window of the neighbours really, but it does let now a ton of light in as well as a ton of air through. Keep this place cool in the summer, including that 5 inches of insulation on the roof. This has gone from an oven to almost feels like air conditioning in the summer. It stays that cool, and the logs are about 8 to 10 inches thick, variable here. Alright, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed this little honeydew check off the list, and we'll see you on the next episode. And me and Griffo are going to get on to the next job we got to do here at the lake. We may or may not film it. We'll see what we're doing. See you next time. Remember to like and subscribe below and hit the bell notification if you want to see more videos coming up. Thanks guys.